Hey, hello everyone. This is Dhaval Joshi, and today we are going to see how we can quickly integrate Microsoft Teams with Dynamics CRM. So, yeah, let's start. So, I'll quickly go to the uh, CRM where I have already set up organization. This is a trial version that I have set up, which has the basic standard CRM entities and all the relevant stuff added by default. So uh, we would see how we can integrate Microsoft Teams with Dynamics CRM with easy and simple steps. So once you go to the admin center and then you will open the instance that you have created. So I'll click on open environment. Okay, so here we have all the apps which are by default provided by standard out of the box apps. These are the out of the box apps which are provided by Dynamics CRM. So for checking how we can integrate, we'll have to first see whether we have to enable some settings related to integration. So I'll just click on this settings icon and go to advanced settings. So here we'll navigate to administration under settings and then navigate to the system settings. Here we have all the system settings related to CRM. So we'll quickly go to the previews. Here we have an option which would be like like we'll have to enable this to integrate the teams. So I'll just check this checkbox. So here I have this Microsoft Teams integration preview. I'll click on yes and I'll click on OK. So we have now done the system settings. Now we'll quickly go to the Microsoft Teams. So here, this is the same account by which I'm like what I'm using to log into my Dynamics CRM organization. Okay, so we'll quickly go to the Microsoft Teams. Now here we'll have to create a team. So now we have to create a team from scratch. So here we have three options wherein we can create a public team or private team or org wide, which means if you want to create a team which would be specific to an organization. So for checking this, we'll first go to the public. We'll create a public team, which will say so. It will create a public team. Now, if you want, we can add members who we want to add in this team. So as of now, I can skip this step. Okay. So here our team is created. Okay. Now the next step would be to enable the connector for Dynamics 365. So here we have a list of apps or we can say connectors. So we can select Dynamics 365 here, and as this says that we can collaborate on Dynamics 365, we can share files, and we can easily get information via chat. So I'll click on add. Okay, now this is an important step. Now it will ask us to select an environment. So since I have a single environment which I have initiated, so I'll select this, and I can select the particular entity which I want to showcase on the teams. So I'll select Sales Hub, okay, and then I'll click on select. So here it will be going to a different screen which would ask to select entity related to, like, whatever entity we want to select in the Sales Hub. So I can click on account, I can click on contact. So I'll click on the account. So here I'll be shown the views which we like, out of the box views which are already there in the Dynamics CRM. So I'll just see and I want to, if I want to see the active accounts, I can select this and I can save my selection here. Okay, so here now the active accounts will be syncing from my Dynamics CRM to Microsoft Teams. So the benefit of this particular integration is, if, let's say, any salesperson want to see specific list of accounts in directly in the Teams, I don't want to go to the dynamic CRM again and again. So he can like do this by creating a team and selecting the entity, and he can directly view the uh, dashboard, like list of the accounts which he had selected. So yeah, I mean, this is how we can integrate teams with dynamic CRM to get the data. All right, thank you.